Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I'm Ivor, and today I'm going to show you another TikTok transition and it's called the shoes over head transition. Firstly, obviously you need a shoe. I mean, you can have a pair of shoes, but you only need one shoe. Open up the TikTok app and select the sound and get ready, and then set the timer on to 9.7 seconds because that's when the beat drops and for your transition to start. So start by placing the shoe over your head and pushing downwards as the song goes. Before it ends, lean forward to your camera so you get a close-up of the shoe taking half of the screen. Oh no, you can see my hand in the last frame, so make sure you get your hands out of the frame because the last scene is crucial. So let's do it again, do the same thing. Okay, once you're done shooting the first part, check if it's good to go, especially the last frame. Make sure the shoe is covered half of the screen. And yes, this is exactly what we wanted. The shoe is big enough to cover half of the screen. And let's change to part 2. Catch me outside, how about that? Okay, so being outside is completely optional, but surprisingly this transition don't need to stay in one position, so you can just bring it anywhere else. Now just place your phone on the floor to get a lower angle. But before that, let's watch the first part of the last frame because the goal here is to copy the exact shoe position for the second part as if they were in the same scene. So basically just recreate the same pose, stepping towards the same direction, same lighting, same angle. After recording, tap on adjust clips. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you the screenshots of how the shoe positions should look like in both clips. On the left side is the last frame of the first clip, so you want to trim the end of the first clip to the part where the shoe starts to push downwards. On the right side is the first frame of the second clip, so you want to trim the beginning of the clip to the part where the shoe is pushing down halfway, continuing the shoe position in the first clip. So that's all of you guys. If you guys have any questions or you want me to do another TikTok transition tutorial, just let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe if you want to, and until then, see you then.